Yo, surprise, surprise. I bet you guys are surprised to see my beautiful face so soon again. Now, I just dropped that Roush Creek video, which I actually really enjoyed filming. It's a super simple video. It's just like raw wheeling, similar to like Rock Air 4x4's videos where you almost feel like you're standing there watching everybody get down on the rocks. So that was a fun video to make, and I promised you guys that I would get back out into the garage. I see your comments, I see your DMs. Yes, the Jeep's gonna get done. Yes, I've been working on it, but I'm in a little bit of a predicament. Basically, I have like 10 different projects started on my Jeep, and none of which are finished. So today's video is not gonna be a walk around recap. It's actually gonna be diving into all of these small projects that need done. I don't know if it's gonna make for good content, but I'm gonna give you guys what you asked for, more videos on the Jeep. So without further ado, let's pick a project and let's dive into it. All right, first project that needs done so I can sleep at night is finishing my drop down tailgate. As you can tell, there is only one restraint and I need to make one for this side yet. Since my Jeep is kind of heavily modified, I can't just buy CJ parts and install it. The only thing CJ on here is going to go ahead and be the strap, but everything else I went ahead and made out of scrap metal. Once it's painted, you'll never know. So super simple setup, but it's just something that I need to make. We're going to disassemble it, duplicate it, drill a bunch of holes, and install it on that side. Let's start there. Lucky for me, the only bracket I have to duplicate is going to be this one that mounts to the bottom part of the tailgate. Did not start out flat, actually started out as a piece of square stock scrap metal I had. So we're going to go ahead and trim this guy down to look just like that. While that paint dries, I'm not going to waste any time. We're just going to jump into the next project, which actually is something I get a lot of questions about, and it is my center console. So basically, I built this console way before I even started making videos, and it's 75% done or 70% done, but I need to rip this out of here so I can finish mounting my Sidewinder, the transfer case shifter, and either here or up here, I need to add a battery master kill switch. In the event of a rollover, it's nice to be able to just kill power to the Jeep real fast. Or if I'm storing the Jeep, I can go ahead and kill all power so there's no draw. That way it'll start next time I go out there, maybe. But I'm gonna rip that out, throw it on the bench, and dive into that project. I thought this was gonna be a little bit more interesting, but literally all we're doing here is drilling holes and putting in bolts. But one little tip or something I came up with, this bolt here actually goes down through the rubber and it's not pre-drilled. So all I'm doing is taking a bolt, torching the old head of it over here like this, and just literally pushing it down through the rubber, letting it cool off a little, and then grabbing a bolt, shoving it down through and tightening it. So nothing too fancy with either of these other than drilling holes, but I'll bring you guys back whenever we go to hole saw out for the master kill switch. It is time to get the party started. Everything here is all bolted down in. Actually took a little bit longer than I thought. These two bolt holes were annoying because they had to go down through the angle iron. So next step is installing my master kill switch. The way to put this in is we're going to be hole sawing a hole right down through there. The only thing I need to watch out for is with the angle iron construction, we need to be over far enough that whenever it comes down through, it doesn't hit him. So I may drill my hole from the bottom first so I know it'll clear, then flip it over and drill from the top. Okay, as you just saw, the console is now back inside the Jeep. Everything is tightened down for now. And this is in a super good position that even if you're strapped into the seat and you need to kill power, it's literally within an arm's reach. The console's not done. We still have a little bit more work to do in the future. I have a set of skins for the side, but no sense putting those on until all the wiring is done and the cables are all routed down to the trans and transfer case. So for now, that's a win and that is progress. I think me and the wife are gonna run and get dinner a while, and then when we get back, I'm going to finish up this tailgate and finish up this video. So I will see you in 1 second. All right, back from snack time. Nice little dinner with the wife. It's time to get these mounted. So I went ahead and measured out the same rectangle as that side, so I know it's gotta be 2 inches in and 5 7/8 down or whatever it was, but I'm just gonna go ahead and line these up and then mark the hole, drill it, and get these bolted in. All right, so for these upper mounts, I had some scrap aluminum laying around. Were already cut out, hole saws for something, but basically I'm gonna use these as a sandwich plate. So there'll be one on the back side of the fender and one on the front. So once this is clamped down, basically it's going to spread the load a little bit better on these inner wheel wells. And then all we do is put our cable on here. And obviously this bolt is way too long, but needs to be out far enough that we can clear the body. So I'm going to have to cut a spacer to fit behind here and then a nut on the outside. So, hot, 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 hot. This will fit. All right, boys, we officially have a drop-down tailgate on the Jeep. Project went pretty smooth overall. Super happy with the outcome. Really don't have much money into it other than a set of CJ straps here. Overall, I think it was a win. Now, I think that is going to end today's video. I don't know until I edit it as far as, you know, how much time I really have in out here. So either way, I'm going to put some stuff on the tailgate and see how much weight I can put on it, but that'll be right here at the end of the video. So hope you guys enjoyed today's upload. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell all your friends to go follow me at Hunk of Junk on Instagram, and we'll see you guys back here soon. Later.